In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur or mask videos using clipchamp.com. This process is straightforward and perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of privacy or professional polish to their videos. Whether you're a beginner or more advanced in video editing, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. First, open your web browser and navigate to clipchamp.com. It's a user-friendly platform, and if you aren't already logged in, you'll want to sign in to get started. Simply click on sign in, and for those with a Microsoft account, click on continue with Microsoft, then select your account to proceed. This should direct you to the Clipchamp homepage where the magic begins. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option to create a new video. Click that to get started with your project. Now, to bring in your video or image that you want to edit, find and click on Import Media. This will allow you to upload your desired file. You can upload videos or images from your computer or even external devices. After you've successfully uploaded your media, it's time to move it into the workspace by clicking or dragging the video or image into the timeline below. This setup lets you edit by overlaying clips as well. Here is a crucial step. Once your file is on the timeline, you'll need to duplicate the video or image layer. This duplication allows for the original to remain intact while applying effects. To do this, simply select the video or image on the timeline and duplicate it. The duplicated layer should appear above the original video in your timeline view. Next, select the top video or image layer. This is where we will manipulate the area we intend to blur. Using the cropping tool, crop the portion of the media that you want to blur. Be precise here, as this step focuses on isolating the exact area you want masked. Now, let's add the special touch to your selected section. Go to the Effects tab where you'll find various options to enhance your media. Look for the blur effect and apply it to your cropped section. You should see the changes immediately as the chosen part of your media becomes blurred, adding a layer of transformation to your project. Lastly, don't forget to adjust the blur settings if needed. Clipchamp offers you the flexibility to tweak the intensity and softness of the blur effect to fit your specific needs. With these adjustments, ensure the blur suits your desired look before proceeding. And there you have it. These are the steps to easily blur or mask sections of your videos with clipchamp.com. This tool is powerful for ensuring the privacy or focus of your content while giving it that refined finish. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to creating sleek, polished videos in no time.